So a quick video on how to change out the seal to an O-ring on a 996 cabriolet hydraulic cylinder. So you see I drilled a hole 1/8 of an inch right behind the groove where the ring sits. Best way to get that ring out is with a T10, because it'll go in the hole and it won't hit the piston no matter what you do. Plus the flat face really gets the end of the ring. You put it in a vise so that you could put the other side on the bench and the piston, the outside cylinder, in the vise, because when you add pressure to this line, this side is going to want to go down, stopping anything from coming up. So that's what I got. Pretty straightforward. They could be a little tricky getting out, but do not damage these. That's why it's on the edge of the bench and still loose. But that's what I got. So I haven't seen anybody explain it, so that's the best I can do. Good luck.